Hello friends, this is Selava. Today we'll be discussing on the basic things which are required in terrace gardening. This is for that all the beginners who want to start their terrace farm. So first and foremost thing which important thing which we need to see is that whether a terrace gets a proper sunlight. Sunlight is very important in growing our food. Then next important thing is to create a see if we can make a get a water source in this terrace, because suppose after you start growing your plants, right? Suppose if you get a water from this ground floor or something, it will be difficult. So make sure you get a water connection so that it will be easy after you start planting your trees. The next important thing, I'll tell you all the things which we need to do step by step. So next important thing is make sure you have some stones or other stone or other bricks where we can place our grow bag on top of that our bricks. So this is why this is important is, so suppose after you suppose if we keep our grow bags on directly on top of our floor, right? So as you water the plants, the unwanted water will get to the floor. So what happens is as we have the bag on this terrace, right? So the water will not get dried up soon. So what this will eventually as we do the same thing for years, right? What will happen is this will damage our terrace. So what we need to do is get a bricks so that you can creep our grow bags on top of it, so that all that excess water which comes out of the grow bags gets dried up easily. I hope you have got this is important step. Next important thing we need to make notice, we have to get that grow bags. It's not like we have to purchase it directly from the store or something. We can start if you are interested to grow in your home only. We can start with whatever is available in home. Take for example, you have waste paint buckets or anything, right? We can use that itself. For growing our plants. But make sure you put holes on the bottom so that all that excess water gets out of that bucket. So this is important. Next important step is collecting high quality seeds. So make sure you collect that seeds from a genuine buyer, so that the food you grow is good and healthy. Our main important motto in this growing your own food is to have a good and healthy food. So collecting high quality seeds is most important aspect in growing your own food. The other important next step is fourth important thing which is required is getting coir pith. So coir pith is there are three important benefits of using coir pith. So I'll tell you one by one. So suppose if you grow your plants only on soil, what will happen is as you keep watering the plants, all that soil will get tight. So this what will happen. This what will do is that all the roots which are growing from the plants, right? It will not be able to grow easily. Suppose if you while preparing that growing medium, right? Suppose if you add coir pith in it, so what it will do is there will be gaps between this inside the soil, where it will help our roots to grow easily. This is the first and foremost important in using coir pith. Next important step is coir pith will help to hold water. So this will help to, suppose if you don't water for 2 to 3 days, the coir pith water is available from the coir pith, the plant will be able to use the same water. Next important step is when we use the coir pith is that soil mixture we prepare, right? It will be very light. Take for example, only when you use this soil to grow, what it will become is after when you start planting some 50 trees, 50 other more plants, right? That the load we put on our building will be heavy. So when we use the same coir pith, the growing medium will become very light. So even when we want to suppose if we want to move the plants from one place to other place, it will be very easy to carry and place it. So this is the importance of coir pith. Next important step is this manure. Manure is very much important, but what I request everyone is to use organic manure. You can use cow manure, the goat manure, or vermicompost, or even you can prepare uh, your own. We can prepare your own manure in your from all that waste materials, waste all that food waste which we get in from environment. By using that one, we can grow it in our home itself. So this is very important. Then after that, we have to have a good soil. Best recommended soil is that use that red soil. Even then, even though if you don't have it, use that soil which is where get it from your local nearby farm or somewhere where we see that plant is grown very good. So these are the important steps in this important step for beginners to what are the materials which they need to collect. I hope you have understood this importance. Please share your comments and thoughts, or if you have any other, if you are using any other materials for growing for terrace garden. Tomorrow I will show you that how to prepare that growing mixture, so that how we can plant our seeds. Thank you. Have a great day.